What sets New Era Plumbing and HVAC apart from other home service professionals in the Dracut area? While experience is a huge factor, and we have over 15 years of it, customer service is where you'll find the most significant difference between our company and others in the area. You will always come first, whether that means how quickly we prioritize jobs or our incredible upfront pricing. Located at 1 New Boston Road, Unit D, Dracut, Massachusetts 01826, we service the entire Dracut and surrounding area for repairs, cleaning, inspections, and maintenance of both residential and commercial systems. From leak repair to installing a new high-energy efficient AC, our technicians can handle it all. To learn about our services or to request an appointment today, visit callnewera.com.